Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session I will discuss about some of the dimension types like associative, non-associative and exploded. So let's get started. For example, I want to just show you what is associative dimension. I want to just give a dimension to this line. Okay, I will start from here and I will end up here. Okay, this is 14.5 unit of dimension. Okay, now I just want to stretch these lines from these grips. Okay, so I just want to stretch these. Okay, I want to just pull it to the right. Okay, and then I will give the point here. Now you can see here the dimension is also just moving with the line, so it's mean this is associative with the line. That is called what? Associate dimension. You can check from property palette. I will just click here on dimension. I will right click here. I will go into the property. From here I can just check. So here you can see associative option here is yes. Okay, it's mean that this is associative dimension. So how we can make it as non-associative, or how we can make it as exploded, and what is the difference between? Now if you want to change it from associative to non-associative, all you need to do is you have to just put one command. What? One command, that is what? Dim assoc. What? DIMASSOC. Okay, what? Dim assoc. Okay, I will just click here. Now it is giving me option enter new value. So 0 for exploded, 1 for non-associative and 2 for associative. Right now this is 2. It's mean that this is what? Associative. So I will give here a value of 1. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now again I will just give a dimension to this rectangle. Okay, from here to this point. Okay, this is 11 unit of rectangle and I want to pull this. So let's see if this dimension is going to change or not. So now you can see that this dimension is not going to change with this line. So it's mean this is what? Non-associative. Again I will just check what is exploded. So for that I will right click here from this option recent input. Here you can see the command like dim assoc. So I will select here. Now I will just give here a 0. Okay, value of 0. Now this will be what? Exploded. I will hit enter. Now I will just take a command of DAL. Okay, I will give first point, second point. Okay, now I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what unit do you need. Okay, now you can just enter the unit as you need. For example, here the unit is 11 as per this object, but if you want to change that unit, you can change that as well. Okay, instead of 11 I want to write here 15. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now you can see here, now this is the 15 unit of dimension. Okay, but the original length of the object is 11 unit. Okay, so in many conditions we need to change the dimension. So this is the way you can change the dimension. Now you can see here this is exploded. I can just click here. This is separate, this is separate, this arrow is separate. Okay, this is exploded, and we can make change from here as well. Okay, instead of 15, if I want to make it as 20, I can make it. Okay, so this is what exploded is all about. Okay, and if I want to just check what is the properties here. Okay, right now I will check. Now you can see here associative, this is not associative. Okay, this is exploded right now, and I want to change it to associative again. So what I will do, I will just right click here. I will go into the recent input. I will go into the dim assoc. Okay, now I can put the value here. For associative I need what? 2. I will hit enter. Now check the options. Okay, right click here, go into the properties. Now you can see here associative, yes, now it is associative. For example, I just want to just check here. Okay, you can see this is the associative. So these were 3 options that are very wonderful options. So you must know about these options, and I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.